In this video we are going to talk about the systems, surroundings and boundary of a thermodynamic consideration of an there are three things that we learned from this video. What is a system, what is a surrounding, and the boundary. A system is any part of the universe which is under consideration. So for this whole glass can be the system, or only this water can be the system. This ball can be a system, or if this is the earth, this can be the system. So anything can be a system which is within the universe is a system, and anything other than the system is a surrounding. Basically the rest of the universe is the surrounding. Or there's a glass, and this glass is for us the system. This glass for us is the system. So the surrounding is the rest of the universe. Everything in the universe except this glass is the surrounding. Basically we don't take all the universe into consideration for surrounding. It's obviously the area close to the glass, which is called a surrounding. This is called a system, this is called a surrounding. And as we see, this glass has a boundary. This glass has a boundary. This part, this is the boundary. So this is a real boundary. Between the system and the surrounding. The boundary tells the system from the surrounding. Similarly, there can also be systems where again there is a glass, and there are two liquids. The two liquids. It's the blue liquid, the red liquid. And if we only want to take this as a thermodynamic system, only the blue part as a thermodynamic system, the rest, this is also the surrounding, the glass is the surrounding, because only this is the system. And as you see now, these are two different liquids, like suppose like oil and water. Let's say these are oil and water. They're two different liquids, and we only take this as a system. So now there is no real boundary. Here there was a real boundary of steel, of glass, or water. But here there is no real boundary. So we say that this here exists an imaginary boundary. Basic thing is we should be very confirmed about what we call a system, because everything depends on what we call a system. If we don't get the system right according to the question, if we can't say what a system is, actually everything falls apart. Our whole solution will be based on nothing. If the earth is the system, the entire solar system can be the surrounding, or we can say an entire galaxy is the surrounding, or whatever. But the earth is the system, and the boundary will depend on what we are actually concerned about. If we are only concerned up till the atmosphere, then we can say that the Earth's surface is the boundary, and from the surface to the atmosphere is the rest of the surrounding. If we are concerned only with that part, because after that there is only vacuum. So if we are concerned with that part, and the boundary is the Earth's crust, or the Earth's surface. It depends on what our question is and what we want to find out. We can say what is the system, what is the surrounding, and what is the boundary. and that's a very important thing for any question, for a very clear understanding of what a question is.